How are you again, man? Please sit down, sit down. Good to see you. Give my regards to your... who's now presiding over this cup is significant as a small land in this state. But it would have not been possible without the great assistance of the people in Germany.
I was a Fiji and so forth.
You'll find this little present here better than all the presents they've received. Because it's a $7 note. You've never come across a $7 note.
No.
This is in commemoration of a seven-a-side win in Rio.
Frank, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And please,
Thank you, Peter. Let's have a look.
Oliver, please do some food.
And it's even got my photo in it.
Yeah, and we need.
When the team was photographed.
I remember one of your ambassadors in London. He was the coach of the team.
Pure.
Yeah, I remember. And maybe you have a nice photo.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you for coming.
Thanks. Pleasure.
Thank you. Nice to see you.
And